Hey guys, Chris Luna here with the Chris Luna Group of Compass. We're here for another episode of Coffee with Chris. Today my guest is Yareth Rodriguez, and she is with Shelter Inc. of Concord. So Yareth, do you want to introduce yourself and tell me a little bit about what you do here?
So my name is Yareth Rodriguez. I am the volunteer coordinator for Shelter Inc. Basically, I coordinate all volunteer projects and opportunities and all in-kind donations.
Cool, it's okay. So right now, as you guys know, we've got this Halloween costume drive going on, and so we're trying to really get as many costumes as we can for the kids out there. Also, Yareth, tell us a little bit about how Shelter Inc. helps the community.
So Shelter Inc. it's a nonprofit organization. Our mission is to end homelessness and make families self-sufficiency. We help over 2,000 families a year. We have our prevention program, our SSPF for veterans, and our AB1 reentry. We have our Mountain View Family Shelter and the Solano Shelter. So we help families with housing, employment, resources. When they get housed, we help them with furniture, all the needs that they need for their houses. And when they are at the shelter, they basically don't pay for anything. They get everything for free. And they stay in the shelter, working with the case manager, working with the employment specialist until they get housed. Once they get housed, they get transferred to another sheltering program where they keep working with the case managers. And basically we work with the family until we know that they're going to be on their own and their self-sufficiency.
Wow, so that's quite the operation you guys got going on here.
Yes.
Helping families get back on their feet, recover, kind of rebuild, and push on. So great. Well, hey, listen, thanks for watching another episode of Coffee with Chris. Again, I'm with Yareth Rodriguez of Shelter Inc., and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.